Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the energy and confidence you once took for granted in the mornings has started to slip away. Not because of time passing, but because hidden factors like sluggish blood flow and everyday tensions are quietly dimming your inner spark. What if reclaiming that vibrant start to your day didn't require fancy gadgets or endless doctor visits, but something as simple as a few targeted touches with your own hands? Today we're diving deep into how these easy, natural methods can help reignite your body's natural rhythms, bringing back that sense of vitality you've been missing. Let's get straight into why this happens to so many people as they hit their 60s and beyond. It's easy to blame it all on getting older, but the real culprits are often things we can actually influence, like reduced circulation that leaves you feeling numb or cold in your extremities. Picture your bloodstream as a network of rivers over time. If debris builds up, the flow slows and vital nutrients don't reach where they're needed most, including areas that support your morning energy and overall drive. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It affects how you feel from the moment you open your eyes. For instance, if you've ever noticed your hands tingling after sitting for a while, that's a clue your circulation could use a boost. And when combined with the buildup of daily stresses, from work worries to family demands, it creates a perfect storm that disrupts your nervous system, keeping you in a heightened state where rest feels elusive. Stress hormones like cortisol surge, while feel-good ones dip, leading to restless nights and flat mornings. Have you ever lain awake replaying the day's concerns, only to wake up exhausted? That's your body stuck in survival mode, not recovery mode. But the good news is, by addressing these directly, you can start turning things around without relying on quick fixes that often fall short. Another layer is the mindset shift. Too often, people resign themselves to this as inevitable, which only makes it harder to break free. Yet, I've seen firsthand how small, consistent actions can rewrite that story. Think of it like tending a garden. Neglect it and weeds take over. Nurture it daily and it thrives again. To illustrate, consider someone like a busy retiree who spends hours at a desk or driving. Their circulation naturally slows, leading to that sluggish feeling. But by incorporating simple habits, they report feeling more alert and present. It's about empowering your body to do what it was designed for. Now, let's expand on circulation specifically because it's foundational. As we age, blood vessels can lose flexibility, and levels of nitric oxide, a key player in keeping them open, naturally decline. This means less efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients, which impacts everything from muscle recovery to hormonal signals. Studies on vascular health show that even moderate improvements in flow can enhance overall energy levels. For example, research from cardiovascular journals highlights how poor circulation correlates with fatigue and reduced vitality in older adults. But you don't need a lab to feel this. If your feet get cold at night or you feel pins and needles, it's a sign to act. Practically, improving this can be as straightforward as daily movement, but we'll tie it into our hand techniques later. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. When the oil circulates freely, everything runs smoother, from waking up refreshed to tackling your day with more pep. Have you experienced those subtle signs of circulation dips in your own routine? Share in the comments. Your insights could help others recognize it early. Shifting gears to the nervous system imbalance, this is where stress really plays havoc. In our fast-paced world, many of us are constantly in go mode, which elevates cortisol and suppresses testosterone, affecting mood, sleep, and that morning confidence. Think of your nervous system as a switchboard. When overloaded, signals get crossed, leading to anxiety or insomnia. Real-life example. A friend of mine in his 60s, juggling grandkids and hobbies, found himself wired at bedtime, only to crash mid-afternoon. By learning to dial down that response, he reclaimed restful nights. Empathetically, I know how frustrating this cycle can be, feeling like you're running on empty despite trying to rest. But strategies like targeted relaxation can flip that switch, promoting the rest and digest state where healing happens. And don't underestimate the power of belief. If you've convinced yourself this is just how it is, it's like putting a lock on potential change. But stories abound of people who challenged that notion and saw remarkable shifts. Let's pause for a quick recap to solidify what we've covered so far. We've explored how declining circulation acts like clogged pipes, reducing your body's efficiency, and how chronic stress keeps you in alert mode, draining your reserves. Plus, the trap of resignation that holds many back. Remembering these roots helps us appreciate the solutions coming up. Stick with me. We're building toward practical steps that can make a real difference. Now, diving deeper into stress's impact, it's not just mental. It physically alters hormone production. Cortisol spikes can lower testosterone by up to 25% in chronic cases, per endocrine research, leading to that flat, unmotivated feeling upon waking. Analogies help here. It's like your body is a battery constantly being drained without full recharges. Practical application: start noticing triggers, maybe evening news or late emails, and counter them with wind-down rituals. For women experiencing similar hormonal shifts, this resonates too, as stress affects estrogen balance similarly. What stressors have you noticed affecting your energy? Let me know below. Expanding on this, better sleep cycles are key, as deep rest is when testosterone peaks. If stress interrupts that, mornings suffer. Tools like journaling before bed can help, but our hand methods will amplify this. Real example. Someone I know used to wake multiple times nightly. After focusing on relaxation, they slept solidly, reporting sharper focus and renewed vigor. As we approach the techniques, remember, these aren't overnight miracles but building blocks for lasting change. Let's move into the heart of today's value. The 3 powerful hand massage techniques that can help restore your circulation, calm your nerves, and reset your body's natural rhythms. These draw from reflexology principles, where specific points on the hands connect to broader body systems, stimulating healing responses. First up, the circulation boosting point. Locate it by making a gentle fist and noting where your middle fingertip meets your palm center. Using your other thumb, press firmly and circle slowly for 1 to 2 minutes per hand. Feel that warmth building? That's blood flow awakening, like jump-starting a stalled engine. Expand on why this matters. Enhanced circulation means better nutrient delivery, reducing fatigue and supporting those vital areas for morning energy. Subpoints. Do this morning to kickstart your day or evening to unwind. Analogy. It's akin to clearing a foggy window. Suddenly, everything comes into clearer view, including your sense of self. Practical application. Try it while watching TV. No special setup needed. Supporting info. Reflexology studies in alternative medicine journals show such stimulations increase peripheral blood flow by 10 to 15%. Real-life example. A 62-year-old golfer struggled with cold hands affecting his swing. After daily practice, he not only warmed up but felt more energetic overall. Have you felt that warming sensation from similar practices? Comment yes or no, I'm curious. Now let's spend time on this first technique's benefits. Beyond immediate warmth, consistent use can improve overall vascular health, potentially easing related issues like mild hypertension. Think about it in daily life. If you're on your feet a lot, this can prevent that end-of-day heaviness. For those desk-bound, it's a quick reset during breaks. Empathy note. I understand if mornings have felt disappointing lately. This is a gentle way to invite change without pressure. Subtle variations. If pressing feels too intense, start lighter and build up. Combine with walking for amplified effects. Another angle. This point ties into acupuncture meridians, promoting holistic balance. Studies from the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine back reflexology's role in circulation enhancement. Application for couples. Share this with a partner for mutual support, turning it into a bonding ritual. What do you think? Could this fit into your routine? Drop a thought in the comments. To wrap this section, remember, 1 to 2 minutes daily on this point can compound into noticeable vitality gains over weeks. Quick recap time. So far, we've unpacked the causes: circulation slowdowns like stiffened vessels, stress locking you in fight or flight, and the mindset of acceptance. Then we started with the first technique, pressing the palm center to spark blood flow, with examples like the golfer's turnaround. This keeps us engaged as we build momentum. Now on to the second technique for nervous system calm. Form a loose fist again. Find where your pinky tip touches the palm, just below the knuckle. Press your thumb there gently but steadily, massaging for 1 to 2 minutes. Notice your breath deepening? This signals safety to your body, easing out of stress mode. Why it works? It activates parasympathetic responses, lowering cortisol and paving the way for better hormone balance, including testosterone support. Subpoints. Ideal before bed to quiet the mind. Analogy. Like dimming lights in a room, it invites relaxation, allowing recharge. Practical. Do it lying down. Pair with gratitude thoughts for extra calm. Supporting studies. Research in psychoneuroendocrinology links such stimulations to reduced anxiety markers. Example. A 68-year-old teacher, overwhelmed by retirement adjustments, found this helped her unwind, leading to sounder sleep and brighter mornings. Wait, her? Yes, this applies broadly. Women report similar benefits for hormonal harmony. Empathy. If nights feel endless, this is a compassionate start toward peace. Have you tried winding down rituals? Share what works for you. Delving deeper, this technique fosters deeper sleep stages, where tissue repair and hormone release peak. Without it, you miss out on natural recovery. In practice, if stress hits midday, a quick session can recenter you. For families, teach kids for lifelong tools. Variations. Use circular motions or hold steady, find your preference. Studies from sleep medicine reviews affirm reflexologists aid in insomnia reduction. Application. Post-exercise to aid recovery, enhancing overall well-being. What challenges do you face with relaxation? Let's discuss below. To conclude this part, consistency here builds resilience against daily tensions. About midway through our journey today, and I hope you're finding this insightful. If you're enjoying these tips for boosting health and vitality, consider subscribing to join a community of folks just like you, men and women seeking more energy, better rest, and that inner confidence. It's free, and you'll get notifications for more content like this. We'd love to have you. Now the third technique, often the unsung hero for resetting sleep-wake cycles. Trace a line from your ring finger base down toward your wrist, about 2 finger widths down in the palm's soft spot. Sweep your thumb across this inch-wide area in slow circles or strokes for 1 to 2 minutes. This influences your pineal gland, master of melatonin for sleep regulation. Benefits. Better rhythms mean deeper rest, balanced hormones, and energized mornings. Subpoints. Evening use optimizes, morning for alignment. Analogy. Like tuning a radio clear signals for body's clock. Practical. While reading or meditating. Supporting. Neuroscience studies show pineal stimulation aids circadian resets. Example. A 64-year-old hiker, plagued by jet lag-like fatigue, used this and regained steady energy, feeling alive upon waking. Empathy. If mornings disappoint, this offers hope without hype. Have you noticed sleep pattern shifts with age? Comment your experiences. Expanding melatonin dips naturally, but this helps sustain it, per gland function research. In life, travelers or shift workers benefit greatly. Variations. Gentle pressure if sensitive. Studies in chronobiology endorse such methods for rhythm support. Application. Combine with dim lights evenings for synergy. What do you think of this overlooked gem? Let me know. Ultimately, this trio takes just 5 to 6 minutes. Add deep breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6, for boost. Quick recap. We've covered the second technique for calm, like the teacher's story, and now the third for rhythm reset, with the hiker's transformation. Plus causes revisited. This reinforces as we near stories. Let's bring this to life with a real transformation tale. Meet someone we'll call Mark, 65, who came seeking help feeling defeated, drained awakenings, fitful sleep, faded confidence. He tried pills and gadgets with no luck, carrying heavy frustration. I suggested these hand routines twice daily. Mornings for flow, evenings for rest. Skeptical at first. Too simple. But he tried. Weeks later he glowed. Sounder sleep, emerging spark, renewed strength. Not magic, but daily commitment, like gradually brightening a room. Why? It maintains your engine circulation, calm, rhythms, for smooth running. Beyond body. Mark regained self-respect, feeling capable again. Vitality encompasses energy, movement, mirror pride. If skeptical, that's okay. Your body holds healing potential. These tap innate abilities with signals. Daily practice reinforces strength. What would 10% more morning strength mean? Ponder that. Final recap. Causes: circulation decline, stress imbalance, resignation. Techniques. Palm center for flow, pinky base for calm, ring line for rhythms, most powerful overlooked. Secret. Consistency like nurturing growth. Imagine weeks ahead. Energized wakes, solid sleep, returned confidence, achievable with steps. Challenge. Try tonight/morning 2 weeks, share changes, better sleep, stronger starts, lasting energy. Your story inspires. If helpful, thumbs up, share, and at the end here, subscribe for more on health after 50. Join our welcoming community where everyone, men and women, supports each other's journey to vitality and well-being. Your presence makes it stronger. Remember, this is educational. Consult your doctor for personal advice. Thank you for joining. Your vitality awaits rediscovery, right in your hands. I'm Dr. Alex, and this is the Healthy Body Channel. See you next time.